CEO of Bank of America just warned Charlotte about housing crisis. Are you paying attention? When the CEO of the biggest company headquartered in Charlotte stand up and say we have a housing problem, you need to listen. This is not a random internet opinion. This is Brian Moynihan, the CEO of Bank of America. He controls over $3 trillion in assets and see more economic data than almost anyone alive. A recent business summit right here in Charlotte, he dropped this warning. That is a quiet warning, but a massive one. Today, I'm breaking down what this means for you, because this warning is the exact reason why I keep pushing so hard on this channel for homeownership over renting. The clock is ticking on our financial future, guys. Again, my name is Daniel Koumou. I am a local realtor with KNAX Group at Keller Williams Realty here in Charlotte. And today's video, I'll say one of the most important video ever so far I have done this year, because this one here, we just had a CEO of Bank of America spoke on what I have been talking about. So with that, keep you guys waiting, let's just get into it. First, let's start with why Brian Moynihan's opinion matters. To understand why this matters, you have to realize who Brian Moynihan is. Bank of America is the anchor of our local economy here in Charlotte. It is the reason Charlotte is the second largest banking center in the whole United States. Moynihan doesn't just run a bank. He helped shape the future of our Charlotte alongside with some of the local officials and developers. When he speaks, mayor listen, the builder listen, everybody listen. And in my opinion, you should listen too. So when a man at his caliber with this much data says Charlotte is running out of housing, he's handing you a cheat code. Hear me out. He's telling that demand is about to skyrocket. If you are sitting back renting, waiting for a better time to buy it, you are completely misreading the room. The ultimate insider are telling you exactly what is coming. I mean, how clear, how better can this get? I was reading some of his article, so let's break it down. Let's talk about the job boom versus the housing shortage. 2025, Charlotte just had its best business recruitment year in a decade. Okay, just in 2025 alone, the city backed 15 major corporate projects, bring over $424 million in investment, and the wave is not stopping in 2026. Look who's coming. SMBC, I did a video about SMBC Bank, a Japanese mega bank, is bringing 2,000 jobs here in Charlotte with an average salary of $165,000. Capital Group, 600 new high-paying jobs. Citigroup, Maersk, 1,000 more corporate positions coming into Charlotte. In total, Charlotte added nearly 40,000 net new jobs over the last year alone. I mean, Charlotte had outperformed major cities like Atlanta, Austin, Miami. Charlotte outperformed those cities. So that is something to pay attention to if you want paying attention to what is going on in Charlotte right now. Now, if you're curious, ask yourself, where are all these people going to live? Bank of America need up to 13,000 hire next year. And the other mega bank, and you have tens of thousands of high earners flooding our Charlotte market. This is one of the reasons why I emphasize home ownership. These corporate hire are your direct competition. They are coming with big budget, ready to bid on the same house you want. And if you want to buy a piece of Charlotte, now you have to compete with them on the term once they're here. Right now, the medium home sales price in Charlotte is sitting around $415,000 to about $435,000. Right? Inventory is up about 24% compared to last year, and the home in Charlotte's market are averaging about 38 days on the market. The good news we're having right now, it means that buyers actually have some breathing room and negotiation power in today's market. I'm speaking on today, but make no mistake, this is temporary breathing room and not a permanent fix. Charlotte is still absorbing 120 new residents every single day. And once this wave of corporate arrival hit the street, that inventory is going to vanish quick. My opinion, this is why my real estate philosophy is built on buying before the wave. You want to secure your asset while there's still a quiet movement, so your wealth grow tomorrow while everybody sleep. So before we speak on homeownership as your shield, let's talk about why renting is a trap in a booming city. Not to pick on renter, but let me speak directly to those who are renting, the renters, because this hate you the hardest. Rent in Charlotte jumped 35% over the last 5 years. Did your income go up to 35%? Probably not. Now imagine what happened when thousands of executives making $165,000 a year show up looking for a place to live. Guaranteeing landlords are going to raise the price because they know people can pay. When high earners flood the city, rent goes up for everyone. This is exactly what happened in Austin, Texas, where regular working families got priced out. Charlotte is on the exact same track. This is why I fought hard for homeownership. Renting, in my opinion, is a financial trap in a growing city. It feels safe today, but every month you rent, you are just building your landlord wealth while exposing yourself to future price hike. Homeownership is your only shield. If you already own a home in Charlotte, hold on to it. With the River District coming, the new light rail corridor that they're working on, massive corporate investment, your property value is highly secure. But if you're a buyer, your window of opportunity is right now while sellers are still being flexible. When inventory is up, you have time to negotiate. Home are sitting longer. This is opportunity for buyers to jump in and take advantage of this window that we have. When I tell people buy a home, it's because homeownership is the ultimate stabilizer. When you secure a fixed mortgage, you lock in your housing costs. No landlord can ever raise your rent. No corporate boom can price you out of your own neighborhood. I know what my mortgage payment is every month. It doesn't matter if you get millions of jobs. You stop being a victim of a Charlotte growth and you start profiting from it, right? If you take myself as an example, a home that we bought 5-6 years ago, it has doubled in value. And who knows what will happen once all these people start coming and housing demand is skyrocket. I'm looking forward to it because I know I'm secure. But if you are one still running around, still renting, no, you don't have that security. And of course, I have to add a word to my immigrant community as well too. I want to speak directly to my community for a moment because this hit close to home. I'm just an immigrant just like you, okay? And every video I do, I want to take this video very serious. Many of us came to Charlotte because it offered a real shot at the American dream without the impossible living costs of New York, DC, and some of the big cities. That promise is still alive in Charlotte right now, but the clock is ticking. I personally came here from Togo, West Africa, with a vision. What I've learned being a real estate agent quickly is that real estate is the #1 way family in our community build through wealth in America. Owning a home is about dignity, safety for your children, for the family is a nest. We cannot afford to stay on the sideline and watch the city grow without owning a piece of the dirt we stand on. I'm very passionate about this video because I feel that this one here we need to take. If you know anybody listening, if this doesn't apply to you, share this video because I feel that we need to pay attention on what's going on in Charlotte. The time for our family to buy is before the crisis arrives, not after. So here's the bottom line. The most financially informed executive in Charlotte is warning us that housing supply cannot keep up with the thousands of people moving here. If you didn't pay attention to anything else about this video, remember that the housing supply cannot keep up with people moving here. And when that happens, a lot of people is gonna be shit out a lot, pretty much, for lack of word. The renter who take action now will become homeowner before the price explode. The one who wait until next year will find a door that is much harder to walk through. My mission here is to help buyers from all backgrounds to stop renting their future and start owning it. I hope this message hit home. I saw the article and I wanted to jump in here and do a quick video and just elaborate on if somebody at that level spoke on Charlotte housing, it is something we need to pay attention on. Again, my name is Daniel. I'm a local realtor with KNAX Group at Keller Williams Realty. I speak French, oui, je parle français. I speak English as well too. So if this message resonates with you, reach out to me today. Let's build a plan to secure your piece of Charlotte before the window closes. Drop a comment below. Are you renting right now? And what is holding you back? Don't forget to share this video if you know somebody will benefit from it. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.